Hello, and welcome to another video with me, Johannes, where learning means change. Today I want to talk about LinkedIn and you. That was brought about by an article I did recently on McDonald's. What makes McDonald's successful? Now, I had my ideas and I was pretty certain that I was right. And then there came these various comments and it really changed my mind. I really realized that I was a bit limited in my view and suddenly, oh yeah, that as well. And oh yes, that's very interesting. There's a much bigger picture than what I knew. So thank you for that. And it really made me start wondering what is actually the power of LinkedIn. Well, the power, I think, is simply contribution. What we contribute towards each other. And when you look up contribution, it's about giving something with the aim or to bring about a result or to help something. And I think that really encapsulates really well LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the power of contribution. And when I look that over with the learning technology I have, then I would say this. Well, how is something not contribution? And a few things come to my mind. One, trolls. A troll will try to reduce that something, will try to reduce a group's effort or purpose of why they're together. Another example would be if you wanted to contribute something or you think you should contribute something, but you're withholding yourself from contribution. Well, you're actually reducing the group's effort by simply not doing anything. It's quite an important, it's like a bit of an omitted doing when you should be, and it will backfire on people. I've found that when I don't, it does backfire me. Be very interested if anybody has made a similar observation on that. So what is contribution? Well, there's two aspects when I look at this definition over. One is there has to be something bigger than just my purpose or my personal goal. It has to be this thing, like for example, a marketing group or an education group, you join it to spread the word, to make that group more powerful. But it could also be, for example, that you post something and I look and read that. I thought, that's really good. I really like what he's saying. I like what he's standing for. And I'll comment and I like. And through that, I flow you power because I think what you're doing is good. So it can be different ways of what a something is. But it has to be somehow contributive. And I think that is really, for me, that really puts it there. Now, after my article with McDonald's, I thought I'd be very interested in what you guys have to say, because I'm almost certain it will expand my understanding. And this brings me to another interesting, it's almost like, it's hard to describe, but let me do it like this way. Imagine a big table with lots of domino blocks on it. And you know when they fall over. And what LinkedIn is actually, we putting these domino blocks up constantly. As they fall over, we rush to the front and put more up. And it has this whole motion of we further each other into directions that we may not even expect, but because we put that goal there or the purpose there, and people start contributing. And it really encapsulates for me what LinkedIn is. Don't know how you feel about that. But with that, I really just thought, over to you. Let's see what you think, what you have to share, and I'd be interested to have a chat with you. Thank you, and speak to you soon.